I've always loved barn quilts, and actually riding through the Blue Ridge Parkway and going on the barn quilt little tour, I just love it, and I've been fascinated with it. And one day out back, I have this pile of pallets, and I see this one beautiful grayed out pallet that I'm like, oh my gosh, that is the perfect size to do a barn quilt on. And so I cut the back off of this, cut the ugly part off, kept it all still together except for the back so that all the weight's gone. I planned it out on a little grid paper how I was going to lay this thing out, and it took some work, but I really enjoyed doing it. And I love this flag design that I had done, and I hope you guys love it too. And here she is in all her beautiful glory. I was going to display her outside by the road, but just could not take her down. I love her on this display in my store that I just could not take it down. I may hang it on the side of the store at one point, but for right now, I just love this cute little display. I used cotton white, old navy, and xoxo red in our Farmhouse Paint line. I also put our raincoat as our top coat, which is our weatherproofing top coat, because one day she may be outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can find all these products on our website or in our store in Hudson, North Carolina. If you're ever heading up Highway 321 and you're shooting through Hudson, North Carolina, please stop in and visit our store. And don't forget to tell them that Wendy sent ya. See you guys later. Have an awesome day. Bye.